Guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I am super excited because it is my first clean and decorate for Christmas with me video, and I am starting my decorating in my front foyer. I will be cleaning it first and then setting up a Christmas tree and decorating my Bombay chest. So if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. Like I said, my name is Sonja and this is my home channel where you will find lots of cleaning and decorating inspirations. And if you enjoy DIY type of videos, make sure you check out my DIY channel, which will be linked in the description box, as well as my cooking channel where I share tons of different recipes, and I am planning on sharing tons of different stuff for the holidays. So I always like to have a clean slate whenever I decorate for the season. So I am giving this area a really thorough clean. I am dusting the baseboards, vacuuming up the floor. I'm actually taking out the carpet as well. I will give it a wash because this few upcoming days we are having exceptionally warm temperatures. So I'm going to take it out and give it a wash. If you are over on Instagram, make sure you head on over to Domestic Diva 76. And you will find where I kind of combine all three channels, as well as my day-to-day happenings, and I share tons of stuff in my stories and in my profile. Have you started decorating for Christmas, or are you waiting a little longer? When do you typically start decorating? Let me know down in the comments. I tend to put out, well, I am putting out 4 full-size Christmas trees, so I like to get a good early start on it, so that way I am finished by December and get to enjoy the month of December with the family, and also my birthday is in December, so I'd like to have it all done by then. Before I start decorating to get me in the mood, I like to light a nice Christmas candle. This one is a Yankee candle that I'm lighting. I almost kind of wanted my front foyer to feel a little bit rustic, but I also wanted to have a bit of a theme, almost like a Santa's workshop theme. So I'm putting up this Santa's mailbox, letters to Santa mailbox that I had picked out at Marshall's or HomeSense. Ours are joined. And I will link my haul up in the corner if you want to see what else I got during that shopping trip.
I'm on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Now on to setting up a Christmas tree. This one is fairly easy to set up. It comes into 4 different pieces, I think. I can have it at I have 3, 6, and 9 feet. I am going for 9 feet because I have the 2-story hallway. I'm almost replaced all of my trees now. I only have one that's the old style one that doesn't have lights, and you have to put up each branch. I love that tree. It's very full, but it is very time consuming to set up. This one, however, is fairly easy. You just put all the pieces on and then fluff it up, and it comes with lights. I will link it down below where I got it from if you live in Ontario and want to check it out.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a...
This tree has more of a rustic theme with a lot of earthy, woodsy decor. I like to use burlap as burlap ribbon here. I just love the way this tree end up looking. Every tree in my house has a different theme, and this is my rustic farmhouse theme tree.
There will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
When I start adding the ornaments, I start with the biggest ones. They take up the most room, and then end up filling it up with the last thing that I put up are the smaller ones, just to fill in the spots. I do feel that this tree does need a bit more ornaments. I will be DIYing some in these coming weeks, and I think I will be buying a new tree topper, which I will reveal everything and during a home tour. Well, I hope you enjoyed this clean and decorate with me. Stay tuned for more coming this week. And I would like to thank you for stopping by. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you consider subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future videos. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.